Hi everyone, welcome to Simple Things. This video is for those who uses earphones and always facing issues with it. Did it get wet? One side is not working or the wire is damaged? Are you tired of taking it to the repair shop and spending more money than the actual cost of the earphone? Or are you tired of buying different earphones hoping this one will be better? Then this video is for you. If the problem is because it's got wet, then let's see how to open it first. Okay, using a scissor you can easily open it with no time, just like this. And after opening, let's see if anything is broken inside or it's just wet. As you can see here, the coil is not broken, the cone is also fine, and the wire is also not damaged. Then you're lucky, so just wipe it very carefully with a cotton and close it properly. If anybody is interested to know how a headset or a earphone works, I'll just explain in short. Actually, the working principle of every earphone and headset is the same. The diaphragm or the cone is the one which produces sound. It's vibrated, pushing the air around it, producing sound. Voice coil is a threaded copper wire which creates an electromagnetic field which will be polarized or charged when electricity runs through it. It pushes the diaphragm back and forth, which produces sound. You can even replace a completely damaged earphone with an old working one. You have to strip the cable carefully to not cut the wire inside. You can even do the same if your cable is broken. Cut and join. Burning the wire is required to remove the insulation or the enamel. Then only it will work when joined. Then join golden to golden and the colored one to the other. The colors may vary sometimes.